This is Brian Decker with your Market Minute. We've talked about the will, power of attorney, living will, and trust part one. This is trust part two. So we talked about succession the last Market Minute, how important that is, and it is the heavy lifting that's going to be done on transferring your estate. We talked about compensation. Don't do it. If you have to do it, want to do it, specifically state a dollar amount. Don't leave, quote, reasonable compensation, which is so vague. Then when it comes to competency, who determines competence? Not your friends, not your uncle, not your children. It's two doctors. Make sure that two doctors are listed in to determine competency. And then when it comes to asset transfers, I've saved this for last. This is the nuclear problem, superlative intended, that causes families to never speak to each other again. It's the tangible asset distribution section of the trust. Yes, you can easily divide IRA accounts, investment accounts, bank accounts. You cannot, if you've got more than one child, you've got two or more children, you cannot divide the Steinway, the Corvette, the Ferrari, the house. You can't divide tangible assets equally. So we recommend that list your wishes that all assets are divided equally, which is ridiculous without liquidation clauses, which I'm going to recommend right here. Add in the following. In our opinion, we're not attorneys, can't give legal advice, but we're fiduciaries and will tell you this tangible asset distribution section divides families without those liquidation clauses. 4 sentences. Sentence 1, house and cars are to be sold with proceeds equally divided. Sentence 2, refer to Appendix A for specific asset transfer instructions. This is where you want Janie to get mom's wedding dress and Billy gets dad's Corvette or something like that. Sentence 3, anything not on Appendix A is to be sold/donated with proceeds equally divided. Sentence 4, rights of first refusal apply. If one of your children wants to keep the house, they have to buy out the other siblings. So those are the clauses that now make it fair. Without the liquidation clauses, you cannot divide tangible assets equally. And it's so unfair that dividing them equally and having the oldest choose, well, guess what? The oldest is going to choose the house, and now everything is downhill from there. Hope that helps.